Hey everyone, welcome and thank you for joining me. My name is Abdel Misa. So you want to learn how to invest like professionals? Then you have to learn the language of money, and that's math. So today we're going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to challenge you by giving you a brain teaser about how to make money risk-free. So have fun and pay attention to every little detail. So say you have a good friend of yours and then they come to you and they're like, I need your help. I need to borrow money from you. And you're like, look, no problem. I have $700 sitting at the bank. I'm earning nothing on it, so anything you need. They say, okay, you know what? I promise I'll return your money in a month, okay? So they come and then first day they borrow $300 from you, okay? All right. So of course, $300, you're left with how much? $400 left. Then a day later, they come and be like, no, you know what? I need a little bit more. Okay, so now they borrow another $200. Okay, so then you're left with $200. Day number 3, they want more. Okay, so then they come and you're like, look, no problem. I have the money, just sitting earning nothing. So now they want to borrow $90. And so of course you have 110 left. And then finally, all right, they just take the entire 110 and then you have $0 left. All right? Okay. So then when you look at it, how much did they borrow overall? Of course, if you sum it up, it's exactly the $700 on the right side. Now, on the left side, how much do we have? Guess what? It's not $700. It's 400 plus 200, that's 600 plus 110. That's $710. So there is $10 extra that you just made out of nowhere. You made it risk-free. You go from $700 and now you have $710. So is this $10 like an interest that you earned for free? All right, so if you earn $10, so $10 out of $700 that you lent, okay? So that gives us 1.42%. Okay? And then that's 1.42% that you earned in 1 month. Now, if you annualize this, you get like, and then we're not using compounding, just simple annualization. You just time this by 12, you're making 17.14%. Wow, 17.14%, that's amazing, like in a year, okay? Because you earn nothing right now with all the actions that the Fed has taken, you're earning basically zero. And this is maybe a way to earn 17.14%. So did you just create a way to make money risk-free? Like you got a new printing press just like the Fed. So what do you think? Does this all make sense? Is it legit? As I mentioned earlier, math is the language of money. You do not need to be a mathematician to be a successful investor. However, you do need to learn the basics of math. So here is the thing. There is no $10 profit. There is no 17.14% interest rate. It's all bogus. So my challenge to you and my riddle to you is, can you figure out where it all went wrong? So make sure you provide your comments. Let's all have fun with this. I'm really curious to see what you all think. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time.